you planning to long or short the market next week? Do you know what are the key levels that may make or break your trade? Watch on to find out more. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this episode of How to Make Money This Week, where I will be going through what is going on with the stock market currently and where it might be heading, so that we can all be prepared for it this week and take that one small step towards building the dream life that we've always wanted. Now before we start, I want you to stop and think about how much money you are willing to lose this week. Remember, trading is the business of using or risking money to make money. Risk, or the big R, is the amount of money you are willing to let go. And if you lose that amount of money, you wouldn't lose sleep at night. Now, I want you to pause this video and decide what that number is. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's look at where we are in the market. So we have gone through a very short week with the Thanksgiving holidays on Thursday and Friday. And that meant there was very little volume trading in the market. As you can see, the key event last week was the FOMC meeting minutes that was released on Wednesday, which gave the traders a sense of relief that the Fed is signaling a slowing down of rate hike, which may be coming very, very soon. Now, overall, the Nasdaq was up during the week, as we can see. Let's take a look at the chart. So the Nasdaq 100, I think if you can see, look at the chart here, it continues to be on track to testing the next resistance, and this is after seeing quite a number of stocks breaking out from the resistance, and you can see there are still a bit of ways to reach the bigger downtrend sloping trend line before it attempts to test that level. Now, a key thing to note is that the market volatility index VIX is reaching a level, the $19 to $20 level, which has been rejected many times in the past. And the rejection of this level usually precedes a downturn in the stock market. So we would want to be extremely and extra cautious this week. And just in terms of what key events we are expecting next week, we have quite a number of them as we approach the end of the month. We've got the GDP on Wednesday, PCE data and jobless claims on Thursday, and the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate on Friday. Now, the key thing that we probably want to focus on would be the PCE data, which may be something that could really move the market. So, all in all, I would be cautiously long this week. That means tight stop loss. Take partial profits along the way, and if things turn around, get out right away. Remember, trading is a game of using money to make money. Capital preservation is key. Without money, you can basically forget about all those nice 4-figure weeks, period. So there you go. I've shared how I plan to tackle the market and make money next week. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments below so I will make more of these. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I post more frequently on my Telegram channel, so head on there if you want to get free live trade setups and ideas. The link will be posted below. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you have taken away something from this video and know what to do to make money this coming week. My goal is to show that everyone can trade the stock market and build their dream life, as long as it's done the right way. And you are definitely one of them. See you in the next video.